It's the gift-giving season, and WestPoint Home wants to give you a gift and say thank you for doing business with them by celebrating Black Friday with a 50% off everything in the store sale and 60% off all clearance items. Friday through Sunday, November 25th through 27th, 2022. 50% off everything in the store, along with a big thank you from WestPoint Home. Comforters, pillows, and sheet sets, luxurious absorbent towels, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. All 50% off Friday through Sunday, November 25th through 27th, 2022. And a whopping 60% off on all clearance items. Start your holiday gift shopping while giving your own home a makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Black Friday sale. Friday through Sunday, November 25th through 27th, 2022. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 on exit 120. And let the holiday savings begin.